First thing to do for removing this is to get rid of this brake line. So let's go ahead and break that loose. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I didn't think there was going to be much in there. Pretty much nothing came out at this point. Now I've got to break loose these two mounting bolts. The bottom one is a 12 mil. Okay, that one came out easily. The other one, ow. Break this one loose. There we go. Okay, see, here are the pistons. They did not want to go in, even though I have that. Okay. Now time for the left front caliper. So I'm going to break the brake line loose, undo it, remove, drain any fluid as necessary. Yeah, see, I didn't think there was a whole lot in there. Okay, out of the way. This is speedo cable. This bottom one again is a 12 mil. And this upper one is a 14 mil. Alright, come on. I forgot my pry bar over on the other side, but the pistons in this are frozen, so they won't retract. You get a different pry bar. There we go. Phew. So I definitely need to rebuild these. This just did not want to retract. So there's both the front removed. This is the condition right after removal. Nice and dirty. So mounting bolt just needs to be cleaned. Mounting bolt needs to be cleaned. This is the banana plug, banana style connector. So clean that. We can replace the washer. Same with this side. Do the same things. See, clean this out. Then clean those. Now I've got to remove these guys. Oh, gotta remove this. Remove that. Remove the pads. Remove those pistons. This one, the same thing. Pistons are stuck, they haven't moved. So, just a full rebuild. To assist in cleaning these, I'm going to use my carburetor cleaner stuff. Let's open this thing up. And I have a little basket in here. I don't need it to drip on this, so I'll just place those in there. And drop it in. Let that sit for a while. Left front caliper. First thing is to get rid of this plate, this bracket. One bolt also holds the clip, retaining clip for these two pins that hold the pads. So first things first is to get rid of this. So I've had a boss way back when, work smarter, not harder. Alright. Let's clean this up a bit as we go along. So if I slide this, see, that retaining clip goes bye-bye. Okay, these haven't budged in a while, they're going to need a little persuasion. I actually don't have a brass hammer or brass, but if I'm careful with this, I'm not going to hurt it. Yep, that's moving. Alright, now I did. So I just need to continue. No problem. One. There's two. I need to get these the rest of the way out. Oh, can't go any further with that one. Can't go any further with that. Alright. Let's see if they're the same length. Alright, this one doesn't want to come out. This one didn't want to come out by hand, so I need to, there we go. Now what I want to do is, I'm going to do some penetrating oil in through there. I need to try to break that loose. I know there's a seal right there. And I'll also put some in here as well. But what I think I'm going to do is have the air compressor. What I'm going to do is, with a little cone, rubber cone that I can press into there to seal it, and hopefully I can pop those out. Because I sure don't want to grab this outer, I don't want to grab that with anything metal, because those things do need to go in. Not all the way, but they still need to go in. So if I had some inside locking jaws, I could, you know, pull it, but I don't. So we'll try it the other way. So I'm going to spray some schmutz in there, spray some schmutz around that, spray some schmutz there. Where's the thing? Oh, and spray some schmutz in there. Oh, there's my bleeder. Got to get that bleeder out of there. Nope, that will work. Wow. So, need to clean that. All this is actually going to go in that carburetor cleaner. I need to get these things moving. So what I'm going to do is I have to clean what I can see right here, because I need to push them in to get them moving, and it's easier to get them moving that way because I can C-clamp them. I'll show you that in a minute. So here's just a 3M scratch pad to get back in there. So I gotta do this. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, look at that, huh? Okay, that is as clean as I really need it. Yeah, again, I'm going to most likely replace those seals. Let's see if we can. Okay, that's moving. I'm going to put a little more of this on there. That's it. I don't need it to go anymore. Yep, those moved. See, so that moved. Those moved in, so I got them busted loose. So now I'm going to pressurize this. Got this awesome little pump right here. I don't even have a storage tank, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I have too much air leaking. And this is the plastic one. I don't know where the rubber one is. Let me set this right. So now I have them apart. Got the pistons. I need to clean them off, polish them. I am going to get new seals. I need new seals. I'm going to clean this all up. They are fully disassembled now. There's nothing left to take apart. I am not going to pull this off of here. No. So I'm not going to dunk this in that carburetor cleaner, so I'm just going to clean it as best I can. I'm going to replace these seals as well. Pistons need to be cleaned. Need to polish them up so that they slide nice and easily past those seals.